Here's number 1 on the graphing linear systems side of the worksheet. On this one, I'm going to do the first equation 2 ways because remember, like we talked about in class, some of you are going to use the standard form shortcut while others maybe having a little trouble with graphing are just going to stick to slope-intercept. So I'm going to show you both. Alright, so faster way, of course, is because this is in standard form, x's, y's, and then the numbers after the equal sign. Easiest thing to do is plug in zeros. So plug a 0 in for x. That disappears. We get 4y equals 8. Divide by 4. Y equals 2. So that gives us a y-intercept of 2. And then if we plug a 0 in for y, we get 0 plus 4 times, x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. That disappears, and then this one just spits the answer out. X equals 8. Okay, so in just a sec, I'll graph that. Y-intercept of 2, x-intercept of 8. Now, the other option, like we've been talking about, would be to change it into slope-intercept. Okay, in which case, I've got y. They've multiplied it by 4, and they've added x. So I have to undo things in reverse order, which means I would first subtract x from both sides. Get 4y equals 8 minus x, then divide by 4. And so what we get here is y by itself. That puts it in slope-intercept form. 8 divided by 4 would be 2. Minus sign drops down. And then since I can't do x divided by 4, I'm just going to leave it x divided by 4. But I'm also going to put the invisible 1 back in because x is the same as 1x. Alright, so now we can graph this. Okay, and so let's take a look here. Let me get my graph, set it up. So on the one hand, I could use my x and y intercepts. Y-intercept of 2. So I'd put a dot here at 2. And then an x-intercept of 8. And I could connect my line. Okay, but since I wanted to show both ways, here's our other option. We've got y equals 2x minus 1x over 4. Okay, well, our y-intercept is the 2, okay, which we've kind of already graphed with the other method, and the slope is negative 1 over 4. So we're going to rise negative 1, run positive 4. Rise negative 1, run positive 4. Either way, we end up with that line. Oops. Take that, I graph it carefully. We get this line. Okay? Alright, now the other equation. The other equation's already in slope-intercept form, so that'll be faster. We got a y-intercept of 6. And we have a slope of rise 3, run 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of space this direction, so maybe continue the pattern this way. 3 and 4 this way. Okay, and as we can see here, it looks like our lines intersect right here at negative 4, 3. Okay, that's our solution to the system.